Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is "Guy Gets Kicked Off the Train Becomes Enraged." All right, let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
Hey, officer, what's going on?
So I got a subject that Deputy Ellis trespassed for me last week.
Okay.
It's gonna be the subject right here. I got the case number as well.
Okay.
I was just telling the other deputy he has a history of RA with violence.
Okay.
Last time when Deputy Ellis came here and tried to make contact with him, the guy was ignoring him, and then Deputy Ellis just slightly tapped him, and he kind of struggled. So I'll be there with y'all if y'all need assistance.
No, I mean, if he's been trespassed from here, he's gonna be going to jail. Yeah. He was told not to return to the trial.
Yes. Top left side. Yep.
What's that?
This time he has a black jacket, same headphones. They got the top.
Yeah.
He has a black jacket on the left side. Come up the stairs.
Alright, I'll follow you. Mr. Shepard, good morning, sir.
Sure.
Deputy Palm Beach County Sheriff Office, Deputy Sanders, and Deputy Glackoff.
Sure, here for.
You've been trespassed from here. You were told not to return to the trial, and
I
you're
bought
here.
a trial rail ticket. I'm going to work.
Okay.
You trespass from the trial rail.
You were told not to come back
That
here.
was that day. They told me to leave the property that day. They never said I could not come back to go to work. I work in Broward. You can't tell me I cannot come on a public transportation place after I bought a ticket and not get to work.
The trespassing is valid
trespassing
for 1
paper.
year.
No, there was nothing given to me.
Do you understand?
No, I don't. There was nothing given to me. And I already bought my ticket.
So right now you're under arrest for trespassing.
I'm not under arrest because they never told me that I got to have a trespassing. You cannot arrest.
He said he's not under arrest. How much you want to bet? How much you want to bet? You know, officers can't really talk like that or whatever, but I'd be like, how much you want to bet?
They never told me that I got trespassed.
So you're not complying with my lawful order?
No, absolutely not. Don't touch me, bro. Bro, do not touch me, bro. Do not touch me until you get a supervisor, bro.
Get it behind your back.
No, I bought a ticket, bro.
Get up. Get up. Don't make this thing worse than it has to be.
Listen,
okay?
everyone has their day in court. Okay?
What are you talking about day in court? That's not happening, bro. I will die about this shit right now. I will die about this. You get a supervisor. I will die about this, bro. I will die about it. Let's go.
I'm not gonna do that.
I'm gonna die about this. I'm gonna die about this. I'm gonna die about this unless y'all get a supervisor. I'm gonna die about this. I'm gonna die about this.
Be careful of the stairs.
Oh yeah, they gonna get you together, boy. He a big boy though. He a big boy.
I got this arm. Help him. I got this arm.
Yeah, his guy's head's in the hole right there. Who's got?
He's fighting us right now.
Oh, his hand in that. Oh, wow.
No, you need one of those. Get his hand in there. Yeah. Just spray it in the face.
Get a supervisor, bro.
I got it.
Look.
Don't spray me. Watch your
Oh,
face.
this is going to be crazy. We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second. But first, I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from zero to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
Watch your face.
Spray.
Right now. Get a supervisor. Get a supervisor right now, bro. Get a supervisor. Y'all need to get a supervisor right now. Right now. need to get a supervisor right down the stairs. No, you need to get a supervisor right now. Come on, let's go. You need to get a supervisor right now. You need to get a supervisor right now.
They always want the supervisor, but 9 times out of 10, the supervisor just gonna agree with the officer.
Right now. You need a supervisor right now. Get my phone. Come on, let's go. Get my phone. No, no, no. Not happy, bro. Not happy. Man, get a supervisor, bro. Get a supervisor, bro. Get a supervisor. Man, get a supervisor. Stop. I'm another trespass. Run. How long way? Welcome to the field, bro. I need to understand this, bro. Y'all literally just picked me out the freaking trial rail, bro. After I bought a ticket, and I'm on my way to work. What is wrong with y'all, bro? You yanked me off the fucking train. I'm going to work. I have this shit in my phone. I have the ticket in my phone. How the am I supposed to get to work from Broward to Broward from Palm Beach? I don't have a car. You gonna tell me I can't catch public transportation?
Take the bright line.
The bright line? Yeah. That's more expensive.
Trespass that day. It's tired of here.
Why was this not explained the first time? How was that's different if you explain something.
Sir, I need you to put your foot.
Huh?
Did you stay here?
You talking about when the officer came?
Yeah.
Hey, yeah, I left right away.
Okay. So he had no time to be able to explain to you what trespass.
That's because he told me to leave.
All right, listen.
What the hell? Come on, bro. Y'all playing these mind games,
Whatever
bro.
happens over there is behind our back.
It's not behind the back because that's what y'all telling me the reason is for today.
We'll talk about it. All I want you to do right now is put your feet
Bro,
in.
you're trying to tell me I'm arrested and I'm not doing anything criminal. The officer that told me to leave that day.
I have a supervisor coming. You can explain that to him, okay? For right now.
But why did you do all that? That's what I'm trying to ask.
Yeah. For right now.
Call my boss, bro.
Put,
I need breathe. I can't breathe, bro. I need air. I need air, bro. You ain't finna do that to my
I'm
feet.
gonna roll down the window.
All the way?
Yes.
You take it off, you're going to be charged additionally.
I don't care at this point.
Take it off, you're going to be charged with attempted escape. You understand? Just
Okay.
stop.
I don't care,
Relax.
bro. I'm dying today. So you can charge me with this much.
why do you
I'm
wanna
gonna
die?
show you on my mother. I'm dying.
Wait, but how did he? There was a whole lot of body cam that just skipped. How he go from in the car to outside on the bench? You go through all that trouble to get him in the car, so what's the reasoning for him getting out the car? Come on, body cam files. Y'all know better than that. Why y'all skip that footage, man?
Because I'm not going to jail. I'm dying. So all those charges, it don't mean nothing. Because you can't charge a dead person. I'm going to show you why.
No, why?
I'm going to show you why. I'm going to show you why.
Why though?
I'm going to show you why, you tyrant. I'm going to show you
You don't
why.
think your life is
I'm going to show you why. You obviously don't. I'm going to show you
We
why.
have a job.
Well, you have a job that you haven't done because you have done an unlawful arrest. So I'm going to show you why. Bro, I'm finna catch ball. I'm going to punch you in your shit. And I'm down today. So I'm going to Don't touch me, bro. Do not touch me. You not me. You don't get to tell me what I can do with me. You don't get to tell me what the fuck I can do with me. Who the fuck do you think you are?
Hey, do you have a second one of those or not?
Can you put it behind his back?
I'm taking right off. How you think they got right here? Down, buddy. Down, buddy.
I got it.
Down, buddy. I'm down, buddy.
Just leave it on there.
Down,
Take him to the ground. I got him. You're gonna get sprayed again, dude.
I'm down about it.
Let go of the
Bro,
fence.
you better,
Let go
bro,
of the
until you
fence.
break my fucking hand, I'm telling you, you break my hand, bro, and you sad, bro. You sad. I'm the first person. You the first person I spoke to. You the first person I spoke to, Lieutenant, and you did nothing about this. I clocked right before it started.
Move him to the curb. Get him on the curb. Perfect. Leave
There
him
we go.
there.
Leave him just like
Leave
this.
him there.
Leave him just like
Leave
this.
him there.
Just like
Do
this.
not move him. Leave
Just
him
like
there.
this.
Oh, he must have wanted medical attention because I see all the fire department there or whatever. You know, little mommy in the cut. Hold on. Y'all ain't even peep little mommy right here. Y'all ain't even peep little mommy. She need to come check my vitals. Boy. I'm having chest complications. Boy. Y'all ain't even peep mommy right here. You know what I'm saying? What? Okay.
Stop. Stop it.
Yeah, yes, sir. Let's die.
Stop it. Why are you doing that to yourself? Whatever.
Okay, okay, let go. Let go.
No.
Who cares? Who cares?
I care about you.
I told you I care about you, buddy.
Listen, I wouldn't be here if I didn't care.
You guys got it? Still get EMS 14.
I love this right here. This what I like. Kill me, choke me. Do me like, what's his name? George Floyd? George Floyd? Ain't that his name?
Who's that?
Oh, how? Who's that? And that's the one that died when the police put his foot in his neck?
I don't remember that.
Oh, yeah. Well, you remember this from the day?
Yeah. Not quite the same.
Yeah.
Come on, pause.
Oh, yeah.
Like, we don't want to see that. Like, oh, man. Pull up his pants, man.
Let's
What's
go.
going on?
We could do this all day. I'm gonna make y'all job very difficult.
Make sure his airway's open.
Going up and down.
Airway's open, good.
Yeah.
How much pressure are you putting on
No,
his
stop
chest?
turning your
Oh,
head.
yeah,
Stop
he's
fighting it.
No, he's fighting you, so he's
Make sure he's not trying to get up.
Make sure he doesn't try to close off his airway.
Keep the pressure on his shoulder.
Or we can just do more.
Turn him on.
It's not gonna happen.
Not a deal, dude.
You guys arrested me unlawfully.
Yeah, go ahead. Where you hitting him at? Whenever you're ready. Wait. You guys ready?
Yep.
You guys arrested me unlawfully, bro. And you wonder what's my deal. Stop.
He's got a hand on the needle.
Stop. Stop. Why would you do that, bro? Why the fuck would y'all do that? Bro, I want to go home.
Remember now.
We tracked down this shocking video of Khalil from 2024.
This customer got mad because I ain't want to cash his check. And he shitted and fucking put that shit on my fucking car. I'm gonna beat his ass when I fucking see him. I just got off the work.
What? Oh, no. Oh, no. This guy is foul, bro. Guys that have done prison time definitely do shit like this, boy. They literally do clown shit like this, man. Listen, that's one of their things, you know. In jail, if they get mad or something like that, they gonna throw piss and shit on you. That's how. Listen, I've seen a guy eat his own shit. Oh my God, you just don't know, man. It's foul, bro. It's foul inside a prison, boy. I'm telling you. Oh man, being you know, because I was a CO and stuff like that, man. Listen, I've seen men eat their own shit. Okay, I'm telling you, it's a real thing.
Customer got mad because I ain't want to cash his check. And he shitted and fucking put that shit on my fucking car. I'm gonna beat his ass when I fucking see him. I just got off of work. I ain't even want to take the shirt off my windshield. But Khalil, Salisbury, Shepherd, I'm gonna beat your ass, like I said earlier. What make it so bad is I'm driving down the road. Everybody keeps staring at my fucking car. I need to get to a car wash ASAP. Everybody keeps staring at this. Look at this. Shitty, funky ass. I can't believe this bitch. This shit baked on my car because it was sitting out in the sun. I had to wait till I got off of work. Nasty, funky ass bitch. Shitty, funky. This man pressure cleaning this shit and it's not coming off. It refused to come off. It's not coming off.
Khalil was charged with trespassing, obstructing, resisting with violence, battery on law enforcement, attempted escape, and a probation violation from a prior offense.
That's foul. That's foul. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's foul behavior. I get the officers, man. They did what they had to do, man. They get a satisfactory 3. They get a 3. Pretty valid, you know. That's foul. Oh my God, he shitted on her car, literally. Oh my God.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.